idea around the code 263. Yeah, chingombo assembly. Yo, Kina. Sedema go this. Bilaze go down. Yeah, pane redeem na ronga. Yeah, but not tite collab na Lady B. Paridi.
Oh man, one to them. Yo, one to them. Big youth man. I think I said big youth man. You open yourself in your time. What man? Yes. You can see the things are running and art. I want some art. What got the fireman food?
Yeah, man.
That's our original good things. Come on, Slim Dogs. Big up on yourself again, is in. Yeah, man. And the generator. Yeah, man. Do you man? Yeah, man. Alright, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hotter than fire. This is a boom. Yeah, man. That is original too. Man, we don't give me a balance. Let me run this thing and balance. Boom. Yeah, man. Yo, big up the other them who know me and big up the other them enemy. You see? This is original enter, man. A boom, man. You know what I'm saying? Big up Papa Sude. Yo. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Ay, so. Kati wamu kama asirai. I don't think that it's a good wife. I'm going to tell you with the wife. That's it, we can't get it. Mama, you do like a Zara in a coma. Takakura teaches it, that's a shoulder. When you join, I'm a just Buddha. Masaya Murari on the guy is some Buddha. As a city, Bukaba, as a Salora, Sana, and a very support. Live that. Man, this is a mad. Can't some come, hey. Boom, soon running in our boom vein. Boom, remember, say we are in a boom tune locations, and there's a 4. Chitungu is a Harare, Zimbabwe is in. So, we know respect for your boom, man. A balance of origin.
Code 263, recording in progress. Contact DJ Sude 0773 174 322.
God bless any man.
Slim Guido.